your trusted source for everything two wheels and beyond. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 Honda Goldwing GCT, a machine that's already stirring excitement across the touring motorcycle world. Honda has once again redefined what it means to ride long distance in comfort, technology, and power. The new Goldwing GCT isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. So, let's break down everything you need to know about this flagship touring beast. A new era for the Goldwing lineup. The 2026 Goldwing GCT marks a bold evolution in Honda's iconic touring series. While the Goldwing name has always represented comfort, innovation, and road-commanding presence, the GCT variant adds a new dimension: grand comfort touring. This isn't just a facelift or a minor tech upgrade, it's a comprehensive redesign that takes the Goldwing to a level we haven't seen before. With the GCT, Honda aims to merge the classic soul of long-haul riding with the needs of today's tech-savvy, performance-oriented touring enthusiasts. The result is a bike that honors its heritage while breaking new ground in comfort, control, and innovation. Design and aesthetics: modern elegance. Visually, the 2026 Goldwing GCT is a stunner. Honda has gone with a more sculpted, aerodynamic bodywork approach, featuring active air channels for better airflow management and rider cooling. LED lighting is standard all around, with a new adaptive cornering headlamp system that follows your line through a curve. 3 premium color options are available at launch: Crimson Black Pearl, Midnight Titanium, and Glacier White Metallic, all featuring deep gloss finishes and brushed aluminum accents. Badging is minimal but elegant, and the GCT branding is subtly integrated on the panniers and fuel tank. Engine and performance: more than just muscle. At the heart of the 2026 Goldwing GCT is Honda's legendary 1,833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine, but this time, it's been refined for more torque, smoother delivery, and better thermal efficiency. The engineers have tweaked the combustion system, reduced internal friction, and integrated a new hybrid assist system, offering a brief boost during acceleration or hill climbing, ideal for touring 2-up with luggage. Power figures haven't skyrocketed, but it's the delivery that impresses. Riders can expect around 130 horsepower and 125 pound-foot of torque, with more usable low-end grunt and improved throttle response. Mated to Honda's dual-clutch transmission, DCT, now in its 5th generation, the GCT offers silky smooth gear shifts, adaptive riding modes, and even a refined reverse and walking mode for tight maneuvering. Chassis, suspension and ride quality. One of the biggest updates for the 2026 model is the completely revised frame geometry. Honda has used an all-new lightweight aluminum twin-spar chassis, optimized for both strength and vibration dampening. This not only reduces overall weight by nearly 15 pounds, but also improves high-speed stability and agility in low-speed situations. Suspension has seen a significant upgrade, with electronically adjustable front and rear suspension as standard on the GCT trim. The double wishbone front end remains, but it's now paired with new electronically controlled dampers that adjust in real time based on speed, load, and terrain. Whether you're cruising interstates or carving up mountain passes, the Goldwing GCT delivers a supple yet confident ride. Ergonomics and comfort, designed for endless journeys. Comfort is the heart and soul of any Goldwing, and Honda hasn't held back. The 2026 Goldwing GCT boasts a reimagined seating design featuring multi-density memory foam, adaptive seat heating, and ventilation zones for both rider and passenger. The ergonomics have been fine-tuned as well. Handlebars are now adjustable in reach and height electronically, the rider triangle offers more knee room, and floorboards are now larger with better vibration isolation. For passengers, the redesigned backrest and armrest provide limousine-like comfort. Add in a fully adjustable windscreen with memory settings, and you've got a cockpit built for cross-continental adventures. Technology and connectivity, future-ready. Where the Goldwing GCT truly steps into the future is its technology suite. The dashboard is now an integrated 12.3-inch ultra-wide TFT display with full touch functionality, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even voice command integration via a new AI-based assistant called Honda RideSmart. Navigation has been upgraded with real-time traffic, weather overlays, and topographical route planning. Honda also includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a brand new semi-autonomous touring mode, which adjusts speed, following distance, and even assists with lane changes on highways. Yes, semi-autonomous features on a motorcycle, it's happening. There's also Bluetooth 5.3, multiple USB-C charging ports, built-in Wi-Fi for software updates, and even helmet-to-bike HUD support. Riders can customize nearly every aspect of the bike via a companion smartphone app, whether it's ride mode settings, suspension presets, or ambient lighting. Storage and touring functionality. The GCT comes equipped with upgraded hard saddlebags and a top case, offering a combined 145 liters of lockable, weather-sealed storage. The top case now includes a powered lid with hands-free operation and a retractable luggage rack. New features like interior lighting, helmet interlock detection, and USB-C ports inside the cases show Honda's attention to detail for real-world touring. Add in optional accessories like modular bag inserts, heated luggage liners, and integrated camera mounts, and it's clear that the 2026 Goldwing GCT is ready for any adventure. Safety and rider assist systems. Safety has taken a giant leap with the new GCT. Honda has introduced its Goldwing Advanced Safety Suite, GAS, which includes cornering ABS, IMU-based traction control, hill start assist, blind spot detection, cross-traffic alert, tire pressure monitoring system, emergency stop signal, ESS, that activates hazard lights under hard braking. But the standout feature is the 360-degree awareness system, powered by radar and cameras. This enables proximity alerts, predictive lane change warnings, and even parking assistance. For long tours, this peace of mind is invaluable. Pricing, availability, and final thoughts. The 2026 Honda Goldwing GCT starts at an MSRP of around $33,999, positioning it at the top of the touring market, but with good reason. It offers a level of comfort, performance, and technology that few motorcycles can match. Optional packages include the Touring Comfort Package, Advanced Tech Pack, and a premium audio upgrade featuring a 1,200-watt surround sound system. Deliveries are expected to begin in spring 2026, with pre-orders opening late this year. Honda is also rumored to offer a limited-run anniversary edition with exclusive trim and features, but more on that when it's confirmed. Outro, stay tuned with Bike Future. The 2026 Honda Goldwing GCT isn't just a touring motorcycle, it's a showcase of what the future of motorcycling can be. Comfort, safety, and connectivity have never been this seamless. Whether you're crossing states or countries, this machine is built to make the journey as memorable as the destination. That's it for today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more first looks, in-depth reviews, and motorcycle tech talk, be sure to subscribe to Bike Future. Let us know in the comments, would you take the GCT on your next big adventure? Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.